Hello everyone, today I decided to share with you my new eyebrow routine, what I've been doing for the past week and a half, because I don't do the soap brows anymore. I discovered a new product that I love better than soap, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is a styling wax, literally looks like a hair gel. It's kind of hard as well, super potent, just keeps the hair in place for the entire day until you take it off, basically. And I love this more than soap because it's not as messy, it's not as lengthy of a process as when using the soap. So yeah, also it's clear, so works with any hair color. I take this with a spoolie, a harder one, because this sets quite fast, so I need to also work fast and I need to push the hair really hard. But yeah, I saturate the hair with a little bit of the wax. Then I try to create a nice shape. I push the hair in the direction that I want. And as you can see, I like the bushy brows at the moment, so I'm trying to create that. And if you like this look, you will definitely love this product. Or you can just use this to style your eyebrows however you want it. And this, once it sets, which is super fast, it will stay forever. It will keep your brows in place, and even if it rains or you have some water on your face, it will still stay there unlike this soap. I also like to draw some hair-like strokes with my eyeliner. This is a brown eyeliner, Japanese one. It's really good, it stays in place until you take it off, so that's why I like to use it. And also the brown shade really kind of matches my hair color. But I will list in the description box some of my favorite brow pens that I like, again, to use from the Japanese Asian beauty market. And then I kind of brush off the excess of the color, and that's it. Super easy, super simple. And let me know if you tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.